Hi, this is Mr. Gregory, and I'm here to help you practice hot cross buns. I want you to remember this fatter string, so if you start at the bottom, count 1, 2, 3, that's do. Go back to that second string, 1, 2, that is mi. So hot cross bun starts on mi, and then to change this string from do to re, you have to squeeze it on the second fret, not the first fret, second fret. So it's mi, re, do. Let's try it nice and slow together. Ready? 1, 2, oh. Get ready for re first. Let's start on mi. Okay, 1, 2. Ready, go. Mi, squeeze, re, and open your hand. Do, breath, repeat. Mi, squeeze, re, do. Now 4 do's. Do, 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 squeeze, re, 2, 3, 4. Back to mi, squeeze, re, do. I'm going to do that one more time without singing and with less help. You might need to try it on your own or go back and do it slower. But if you're ready, you can play along with no help from me. Here we go. A 1, 2. A 1, 2. Ready. Right, good work. If you didn't get it perfect right now, that's okay. It's called a work in progress. I bet you'll get it soon. If you practice 10 times a day, you'll probably get it in 2 or 3 days. If you only practice 1 time a week, it might take you a long time to learn it. So if you'd like to learn it faster, practice every day. Have fun.